Hello kids, welcome back. Colors: yellow color, purple color, blue color, green color, ice blue color, pink color, orange color, black color, red color, violet color, green color, brown color. A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's color. Brown color. A, B, C, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We colored in alphabets. A A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for igloo. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.